Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate VEED for subtitles and auto translation step by step clearly. To activate VEED for subtitles and auto translation, begin by visiting the VEED website. Once on the homepage, click on the Get Started button. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you are new to VEED, select the option to sign up. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Click on the Upload Video button to import the video you want to subtitle. After the video uploads, navigate to the Subtitles menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you will find the option to auto-generate subtitles. Click on this option to initiate the automatic subtitle generation process. VEED will begin processing your video to create subtitles. Once the subtitles are generated, you can review and edit them for accuracy. If you wish to translate the subtitles, locate the Translate button. Click on Translate, and select the desired language from the list provided. Once you choose a language, VEED will automatically translate your subtitles. After the translation is complete, review the translated text. Make any necessary edits to ensure the translation is correct. Finally, click on the Export button to save your video with subtitles and translations. Your video is now ready to be shared with subtitles and auto-translated content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.